All right, I'm not gonna beat around the bush. I went shopping. Stay tuned to the end if you wanna see what I picked up. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Mercedes and I make beauty, home, and lifestyle content on this channel. Consider subscribing so you don't miss my weekly uploads. All links to products discussed will be included in the description box down below. Okay, let's dive into my Sephora unboxing. I'll start first with the lip products that I picked up because I did pick up a fair amount of lip products. The first thing I picked up is this Tasha Kissu lip mask in the color Wisteria. I already have a Tasha Kissu lip mask in the original color. This was released around the holiday. It is in this purple color. The original color is just a sheer pink. I'm a huge fan of the original formula. The formula is almost this really nice gel texture that leaves your lips very moisturized. The next lip product that I picked up is the lip balm from La Mer. So this is very plain. I have used this, admittedly. I got right in there and used it. So I have used it. Oh, so it has a mint, almost a mint scent. And it's just like any other lip balm, to be honest. It definitely has a very soft formula, very nourishing and hydrating formula. I just wanted to try this because I've been such a fan of the La Mer products. Okay, so the next lip product that I picked up is also another balm. So this is in the Sol de Janeiro. This is the Brazilian Kiss lip balm. This balm has been around for a minute and it smells good. It definitely smells coconutty. The name does not deceive. I'll try to come in really close so that you can see how large the actual applicator is. It is very nourishing. Your lips feel very hydrated with this particular lip balm. You get a decent amount of product. So I thought it was worth picking it up because you can never have too many lip balms, period. So I picked that up as well. Okay, this won't look surprising to those who have checked out my most recent video, which is my Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm review. This is the brand new color and birthday cake. It's a limited release, so I picked up another birthday cake. I like this color. It's a very sheer iridescent baby pink. So this is what it looks like. Really pretty packaging, typical Summer Fridays, but it is a really, really pretty baby iridescent pink color. The next lip product that I picked up is from the brand Tarte, MARACUJA Juicy Lip Vinyl. So I'll go in here so you can see, and it is in the color Sheer Lotus. Very pretty pink color. Let's do a swatch. Oh, very pigmented. Oh, that's very pretty. It is a blue-based bright pink. You can never have too many tinted sheer lip glosses, so I thought this might be a great addition to my pink lip gloss collection. So the last two lip products that I picked up are from Refi. They're tinted lip gloss. Let's check out blush first. Look at the packaging. It's got this metal tip applicator. I'll do a swatch. And you can see it's a very nice blush pink color. Definitely a sticky tacky formula. The next color, let's try Rosewood. That is Rosewood, the darker color that I just swatched. So at first glance, I will say the colors are very pretty. I'm a huge fan of the pinky, blushy colors. So those are all the lip products that I picked up. Let's shift gears now. So I picked up one foundation from Makeup Forever. It's brand new. It's their HD Skin HYDRA Glow. They have a matte version. They just released the more hydrating formula. I picked mine up in the color 3Y52. The packaging is really pretty. It has a sleek cap, got the very simple white pump. So pretty basic, but also very nice. So that is the only foundation that I picked up. So I've been wanting to try the Makeup by Mario sculpting stick. So I picked up two colors, one in dark, and then I think I picked up one in medium dark, so I wasn't sure. So I'll show you the color medium dark. So there is a brush on one end, so it's really cool too. The brush has these little, you probably won't be able to see it, it has these little ridges, and then on the other end is where the actual product is. So you just twist the product up and then you're supposed to use this to blend it out. Oh, it does blend very well. Okay, Mario. So you can see I blended it in. It's pretty blended in. So this is the darker one. It looks warmer. They both look really good. They both could work. First impressions, it's a matte finish. It does feel a little on the cheaper side. I am not going to lie. So I will let you know what I think about the Mario Sculpt Stick. So I picked up another sculpting product from the brand Patrick Ta. This is in She Sculpted, also a medium. I've been wanting to try these from Patrick Ta. You can see that packaging is very nice. It gives quality, comes with a mirror. At the top, you can see the mirror. You can probably see my camera. It has the powder and the cream contour product. When I'm gonna take a little bit on my finger and swatch it, it's a little on the light side. I ain't gonna hold you. I don't know about this one. I wasn't sure if this was the right color or should get the next color. I will just return it if it doesn't work and get the next darker color. But first glance, the product is really nice. I like the idea of using the cream and then the powder to top it. And actually Patrick Ta uses the powder first and then they add the cream on the top, which is really interesting. Let's shift gears now and talk about the blushes that I picked up. This is brand new, one of the 2 new colors that Patrick Ta released in their double take cream powder blush duos. I picked up the color She's the Moment, and it is a pink coral. Look at that color. Let me get in there as far as I can. That is beautiful. Beautiful. You can see it's a lighter color. It might not be showing up that well. Like, so perfect and timely for spring. I also picked up another cream blush from the brand LYS Beauty, and this is their cream blush stick. So I'll show it. It's in the color Curvy. It's a perfect peach, they describe it. So I picked up 2 peachy blushes. That is the outside packaging. First, let me show you the color. You can see that. You just twist this applicator up. That is the color. It is very pigmented. You can see. So let's see how it works. I'm just blending it in with my finger. Yes, that is pretty. I like that. It's more of an iridescent peach, I would actually say. My first impressions are that it is what I would have expected. It's definitely more on the sheer iridescent side. So if you want something that is a little more matte, this is not it. It's not a matte formula whatsoever. Okay, the next thing I picked up was actually from the brand NARS. This was just a restock or a backup of a product that I'm about to run out of. And this is Light Reflecting Eye Brightener. It's really a color corrector and a concealer product, and it's in the color Magic Hour. I use this every day that I do my makeup. It comes in this little white pot. If you watched my 2023 makeup favorites, you know that I talked about this product. I was almost at the bottom of the pot then. I've used even more, and so I'm almost done. So the next couple products I picked up were from the brand Hourglass. This is also restocking a product that I talked about in my 2023 makeup favorites, the Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Foundation Primer. So this is the larger one. What I like most about the Vanish primer is that it fills my pores in really nicely, and it is good for oily skin, and it does a really good job at helping my foundation and other complexion products stick to the face pretty well. So I picked up one of these. I picked up 2 brushes from Hourglass. I've been eyeing this Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Concealer Brush for a while. So I finally picked it up. So you can see it's pretty dense. So it's very nice quality. I will tell you that right away. The brush feels very, very soft, very full. So you're not getting a sparse brush. It's a densely packed brush. It also is metal, so that's the nice thing about the barrel. The barrel is seamless, so it's metal up here and it's metal down towards where the handle is too, which is really nice. So one of my favorite concealers in the moment is the Hourglass Vanish Concealer. So I thought that I would actually try out the concealer with this brush, and so I will report back to let you know what I think. While I was at it, I thought, let me try out the foundation brush. So I also picked up the foundation brush. What do they call it? Is it the Vanish foundation brush? Y'all, I'm digging around in this box. I'm usually a lot more organized than this. So this is called the Ambient Soft Glow Foundation Brush. So it is different, but it looks similar. Let me see if I can get it open. Finally got the Hourglass brush open. So this is the foundation brush. What I will say about it, let's compare it to the concealer brush. It clearly is a lot smaller. So it's a shorter, stubbier one. So just checking it out, right out the packaging, it feels very soft. So I love the way it feels soft. It's densely packed. The bristles and the hairs look really good. Again, it has the metal barrel all the way through. It has that continuity, which is really nice. Feels like it's great quality. It doesn't feel as heavy as the concealer brush, but they both look really good. And I love makeup brushes of all kinds. That's why I picked up a couple more makeup brushes while I was at it. Makeup by Mario makes one of my favorite makeup brushes. So I thought I would actually pick up the F1, I believe this is. So this is the packaging, just in case you haven't seen it. I love the white. It's very on brand for Mario. I'll show you with the other. Oh, that feels so soft. Multi-side, this is the F1. How do they describe this brush? They don't describe it, but how I plan to use it is to do targeted application of cream and powder products, like when I'm applying highlighters, bronzer products, sculpting products, and the smaller side I thought would be really nice for getting in around my nose and applying my bronzer product to create that contour look. I picked up one more brush that's new. I think it's a limited edition brush from Pat McGrath Labs, and it is their Skin Fetish Divine Blush Brush. So this is what it looks like. It is a smaller blush brush. It's soft. I'll probably end up using it more to apply cream and powder highlight products, because here, this is almost the perfect size. I could also see myself using it to set my under eye concealer or just applying powder anywhere else on the face. I just find it a little small for blush, but I thought I'd check it out, and I'm glad I picked it up. I will just say, compared to the other brushes that I picked up, it's definitely giving cheap, and I think it wasn't the most expensive. Maybe this Hourglass foundation brush was the most expensive, but it wasn't cheap. So I just feel like it shouldn't be feeling as cheap. Okay, so that was all I picked up. So not a crazy big haul. If you like my content, consider subscribing so you don't miss my weekly uploads. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.